Hello everyone, my name is Dev Sagar, a class 11A student from Public Schools, Pitampura, Delhi. Today I am presenting my original scientific research project titled AI-based detection and analysis of human red blood cells lifespan patterns. This project combines biology and artificial intelligence to study how our red blood cells live, age, and change over the time. Doctors and scientists often face challenges in tracking the lifespan of human IBCs because traditional lab methods are shown and not monitors changes in real time. My research aims to solve this problem using AI-based tracking. This which observes how IBCs behave, age, and digest inside in our human beings. In my model, real-time reading of adult human being IBC samples are taken and analyzed through digital microscope. These images are processed using mechanical learning algorithm M and CNNS, which helps computer to identify changes in the shape, size, and color of each IBC. The system then estimates biological age and health of the cells and creates a lifespan pattern graph that shows how IBC change over 120 days. This project uses AI-based image recognition, data analytics, and data microscopy. Tools like Python, OpenCV are used for image processing and pattern detection. The data is processed secure and can be expanded to study multiple blood samples. Here you can see now the system algorithm detects the IBC and tracks their conditions. It shows the color coded analysis of the each cell's health, making it easier to detect an engaging or damaging cell's insanity. In the future, this system can be scaled for hospitals and laboratories used to help doctors quickly diagnose anemia or other blood cell related diseases. It can also be conducted as cloud-based database or large-based biomedical research. Through this innovation, my aim to make health diagnosis smarter, faster, and more accurate using AI, and it can detect the human being's RBC lifespan. Thank you for watching this my presentation. I am Dev Sagar, and this way my research project on AI-based analytical and human IBC lifespan a step towards the future and integration medical science.